Sundarbans. When we take this name, what comes to our mind? The vast water bodies, the lush green mangroves, and the majestic Royal Bengal tiger. But what about the people? The people who are living in abject poverty are trying to make a survival. The children are determined to get educated to have a respectable future, despite facing all odds.
Yeah. B C D E.
Tell me your name.
My name is Pallavi Mondol. I am class 3.
First, please.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. My name is Tanay Meda. My school name is Shamnagar Shikhan. I read in class 3. I live at Sahib Kali. I love reading and playing. I come to school every day and enjoy.
Even as Mujahid Hussain, studying in class 4, lives in abject poverty and has not been able to go to school for last 1.5 years, despite all hardships, his family and Swapnapuran Shikshan Niketan together are helping him to get online education. The best part, however, is all the efforts taken by his parents and his teachers is bearing positive fruits.
Proper nouns. Proper nouns are names of people, animals, places, or things. They always begin with a capital letter. Example: Tom, Santa Claus, Taj Mahal, Ganga, Kolkata, China, etc. Common nouns. Common nouns are words which are used as the general names of people, animals, places, or things. Example: boy, girl, river, city, country, mountain, etc. My name is Mujahid Hussain Gazi. I read in class 4.
Do you like reading from mobile phone, the online classes? Are you liking it?
Yes, I like.
So what do you like more? You like to read from books more, or you like the mobile phone lessons more?
I like to read books.
Masum, tumi kon class e padho?
I'm reading class 6.
You're studying class 6. So what subjects you like?
I like math.
You like maths. So can you tell me how much is 5 sevens are?
5 sevens are 35.
6 fours are?
24.
5 plus 10?
15.
20 plus 20?
40.
আমার নাম শাকিলা বিবি। আমার ছেলের নাম মাসুম মোল্লা। আমার ছেলে যে অনলাইনে কাজ করতেছে, এমনি পড়াশোনার দিক দিয়ে আমি খুব ভালো। স্যারেরা এমনি খুব ভালো বলে, আবার স্যারেরা আবার দেখাশোনা করে ছেলের জন্য। আর যা সাহায্য সুযোগ পাচ্ছি মোটামুটি তাতে করে ভালোভাবে চলছে। আমি তো চাই যে বড় হয়ে যেন সেরকম একটা পদ্ধতি ভালোভাবে সেই পর্যায়ে যেন যায়, আর ছাত্ররা যদি সেইভাবে সহযোগিতা করে তো সেইভাবে হবে। আমার তো অত সক্ষম নেই।
Young Momita Das, who had problems with English and maths in the initial period, is today good at both the subjects, and she has taken to online and offline education both, just like a fish takes to water. Which subjects would you like to read?
English. English, science, social studies, mathematics, Bengali, all subjects.
Okay, all subjects. In English, can you tell me on poetry? Anything of that you love? Any poem that you love?
Yes.
Tell me.
Action. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their head, the wind is passing by.
What do you want to become when you grow up?
Doctor.
In maths, what do you like in maths?
Yes.
So, can you tell me how much is 5 sevens are?
5 sevens.
5 sevens are?
35.
Okay. 6 fives are?
6 fives are 30.
Thank you. So, you get help from Swapnapuran sirs and madams?
Yes, of course.
নাম রুমা দাস, আমি স্বপ্নপূরণ শিশু শিক্ষা নিকেতনের একজন গার্জিয়ান বলছি। তো আমার দুটো মেয়ে ওই স্কুলেই পড়ে। তো দুজনেই আমি কোভিড যখন ফার্স্ট টাইম শুরু হলো তখনই আমি ভর্তি করেছিলাম স্কুলে। তো তারপর 2 মাস ক্লাস করার পরই লকডাউন চালু হয়ে গেছিলো, যার কারণে ওরা কোনো ক্লাসই করতে পারেনি। স্কুল চালু থাকাকালীন কোনো ক্লাস করতে পারেনি। তারপরে বাড়িতে অফলাইন ক্লাস, অনলাইন ক্লাস চলছিল। তো আমার মেয়েরা প্রথমেই বাংলা মিডিয়ামেই পড়াশোনা করতো, ওরা বাংলা ছাড়া কিছুই জানতো না। তো এখন আমি এই যে ভর্তি করি, লকডাউন চলছে তার মাঝে ওরা যে ক্লাসটা করছে, ম্যামদের টিচারদের জন্যেই ও অনেকটা শিখতে পেরেছে, অনেক কিছু জানতে পেরেছে। আমরা সামান্য নর্মাল, আমরা অতি সাধারণ, আমরা কিন্তু সেই জায়গায় যেতে পারিনি। তো আমার বাচ্চাদের আমরা সেই জায়গাটায় পৌঁছাতে পারছি। এই জন্যে আমি বিশেষ করে স্বপ্নপূরণের সমস্ত টিচার, ম্যাম, আদার্স যারা সবাই আছে সবাইকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই। আমি কখনো ভাবতে পারিনি যে আমি এই হাসনাবাদী হিঙ্গলগঞ্জ ব্লকের ভেতরে থেকেও আমার মেয়েকে আমি এইভাবে একটা ভালো ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম স্কুলে ভর্তি করিয়ে এতটা আমার মেয়েকে আমি শেখাতে পারবো, এটা আমি কখনোই ভাবিনি। তো আমি ভীষণ খুশি, ভীষণ হ্যাপি। সবাইকে আমি অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই, স্যার, ম্যাম, আদার্স আরও যারা আছে সবাই, প্রত্যেক সদস্যকে, যে আমার বাচ্চারা অনেক অনেক কিছু শিখতে পেরেছে। এই জন্য আমি অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই সবাইকে।
This is Devashish Ghosh. Actually, I am the teacher resource person of Swapnapuran Welfare Society. That is 2 branch which is located in this island, that is Kalitala and Choto Sahibkali. So, although due to lockdown we are struggling with education, but there is a huge opportunity for Sundarban people. For only Swapnapuran Welfare Society, we are functioning in offline and online both mode, and here Royal Bengal tiger, cyclone, flood, especially livelihood and poverty is the main threat for the community. So although they are struggling, but they are encouraging their child education, and it is privilege to work as a teacher resource personnel with Swapnapuran Welfare.
Good morning student, class 4. Today we are going to learn new thing, that is a pulse survey plan. I'm your science teacher, you know me, I think. I'm Anupa ma'am. So first thing we will do, this is a pulse survey plan, that is a different parts, so 2 main parts of a plan. Just like our body has different parts, we have eyes, nose, head, and hands and all that. Similarly, the plant, they have different parts. The part of a plant that we can see, the visible, that is not inside the soils, মাটির নিচে যেগুলো নেই, এই পার্টটাকে বলে shoot, আর মাটির নিচে যেগুলো তাকে বলে root. এইখানে একটা এক্সাম্পল দিচ্ছি তোমাদের, এইখানে এইটাকে বলে shoot, আর এই যে root দেখছো, এই যে এগুলোকে বলে root. Okay, now what is the function of root? আমাদের রুটের কি ফাংশন? All plants do not have same kind of root. কিছু কিছু রুট হচ্ছে চাপ রুট, তাকে বলে মেইন রুট থাকে, যেমন তোমাদের এই বইয়ের মধ্যে ফটো আছে, জানি না তোমাদের ইনভার্ট, দ্যাট ইজ মেইন রুট, আর এটাকে বলে মেইন রুট, একটাই রুট থাকবে আর ছোট 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 এরকম রুটস থাকে। আর একটা হচ্ছে ফাইব্রাস রুট। যদি ঘাস কোনোদিন তোলো, তো ঘাসটাকে যখন তুলবে তখন দেখবে অনেক কুচি কুচি রুটস আছে, তাকে বলে ফাইব্রাস রুট। এইটা কিন্তু ট্যাপ রুট, এটা হচ্ছে একটা, দেখো এটা হচ্ছে একটা মেন রুট, ঠিক আছে, আর এগুলো হচ্ছে ছোট ছোট মেন রুটের পাশে পাশে এই রুটস বেরিয়েছে, তাকে বলে, এটাকে বলে ট্যাপ রুট। ওকে, ক্লাস 3, টুডে we are going to learn about that last chapter we have learned water, about water, 3 forms, solid, liquid and gas. I hope you have understood. So today আজকে যেটা পড়বো, আমরা দেখবো যে আমাদের কোথা থেকে এই জলটা আসে। ওকে, where water comes from. There is a lot of water on the earth. আমাদের পৃথিবীতে অনেক জল আছে এবার, but most of it is the ocean. ওশানেই রয়েছে। তো the water of the ocean is salty, খুব নোনতা জল। So we cannot use it. আমরা কি salty water বা সমুদ্রের জল আমরা খেতে পারবো? খেতে পারবো না, কারণ এটা খুব salty। নোনা জল মুখে ঢুকে গিয়ে যদি লোকে গিলে ফেলে না, তাহলে অনেক প্রবলেমও হয়, স্টমাক এক হয়, সমুদ্রে স্নান করে জল গিলে ফেলে খুব খারাপও হয়। বাট আমাদের তো এই রিসোর্সেসটা এইটা আমাদের ইউজ করতে হবে। তো উই ইউজ ওয়াটার ফ্রম লেকস, পন্ডস এন্ড রিভার্স। আমরা যেগুলো পুকুরের জল, যে তোমাদের ওখানে যেরকম নদীর জল, লেকের জল, মানে বড় পন্ড, যেটা বড় জলাশয়, যেটা হ্রদ বলে, উই অল টেক ইট আউট ফ্রম আন্ডার দ্য গ্রাউন্ড।
হ্যাঁ, আমার নাম বিকাশ বিশ্বাস, আমি coordinator of Shapnapuran Shikha Niketan, Hingalganj, Jorabartala. Last years, actually, when the Amphan came and everything got devastated, the community, they lost their, their livelihood and all these things to survive. And after a month after Amphan, I think our online classes had been started actually. We have planned, we sat together and lots of meeting we had, and then we decided that slowly we should make some WhatsApp groups class-wise, and so that the students can submit their task through these WhatsApp groups, and from there it is just going on, and all the students we have, most of them have come in this platform and they are responding well, the teachers are doing well, and some, to some extent, somewhere there is a network issues, but it has been solved. Now they are doing excellently. At the very first, when we started our online process or online education system at Shapnapuran Shikha Niketan, at that time most of the parents, 50% parents they didn't have any smartphone, but slowly, day by day, I think after 5 months or 6 months as we have passed, the parents got their mobile phone, and now the students are yes, it is easy for them to access the mobile phone and the internet issues. Actually they got used to our online process, as all the world is trying to get used to that system. The students are capable enough. I think they are trying hard. It has been seen that at about night, that means 11 o'clock, the students are sending their home tasks through WhatsApp group to the teachers, and our teachers are very good. They are responding well. They are correcting their answer scripts of the students, whatever day and night it is.
So how many students in all do you have in your under Sapnapurna?
Yes, it's about 400. It's about 400, yes, in main campus. And we have also 5 branches.
So you are able to cater to all these students?
Some students are still not in this forum actually, so we have planned actually that maybe 10 or 15 students, they are not getting the facility, so we have a plan for them. We had actually already implemented this, that maybe in some area there is a teacher who is included or involved in our system, and the students are going to the teacher and they are getting their help through his or her mobile phone, and in this way they are accessing this facility of online classes in our school. In future we have lots of plan. Our secretary ma'am Shatirfa Mujumdar, she has lots of plan. For example, number one, at one-to-one touch is very important. Every student in online process, they should be in the process. So we are continuously trying to get the community engagement. We are in the process. So whenever a child is not responding in the WhatsApp group or not submitting their task, if it is 1 day or for 2 days at least, the teacher at that moment get into touch with the students and calling the students again and again, calling the parents again and again, and make it sure that he or she must submit their work. If it is not possible by phone, then our teachers just went to their houses and get in touch with the parents. So what are the problems? We need to build our hostel so that the students who are far from the very end of the Sundarbans, as we have another branch at Kalitala that is very close to the forest. So after class 4 or after class, so that the students who are in class 5, who are in class 6, whatever class they are, as we have, we are continuing our classes nursery to class 12. So I think this is an opportunity for the students. If we have a hostel system, whatever classes they are in, they can get the access or they can get the chance for their better future, as we are the only English medium school, CBSE board following, syllabus following a school here in this remotest part of Sundarbans. So I think it is an opportunity for the community here who are sending their children to our school. So our motto is to touch every door, is to touch every people, is to touch every student, so that they can get the proper education here in this English medium school, Sapnapuran Shiksha Niketan.
Here they have faced a lot of problem, lot of obstacle, Amphan, Yash, and after that also academic, for not a single day it has been stopped. We are doing online education. We are trying to impart online education to our children. Children are getting enriched with knowledge every day with our expert teachers through online, and we do a lot of activity through online. Especially we have done a lot of festival, that is Ratri Yatra festival, Durga Puja, Diwali, and even Republic Day celebration. All we have done through online. Even we have also conducted dance classes, even art and craft, yoga classes in online, and even this is a great success story that this year, under so many obstacles, that circumstances, so many adverse conditions, our children, they appeared for class test. They have appeared for online test. Even they did project also, different subject project, English, Maths, Science, Social Study, Computer, EVS. They have done project also. They have all this project they have displayed through, that is everything they have posted in our group, and they have done a commendable job, and it was a great achievement. Even I am also very thankful to our parents also. They are so cooperative and they have supported us. Even one instance I can share with you, that Yash, they're here power cut for 2 or 3 days. Even I got a phone call from the parents that ma'am, I can't send the work. Can you just excuse me for 1 or 2 days? So this much seriousness has grown in our children and even our parents. And now this, without parents' support and cooperation, it would not be really is not possible. they are with us. We are there, each and every, even we teachers, initially we tried to worksheet, we tried to do the worksheet, even we tried to reach each and every house, door to door visit they did. They have given the worksheet in the house, each and every house, so that they can start the education. Because before this online system, now what you can see, it is that for last, that is from May to now is August, it is really, it has become steady that they have understood. But before that, they don't know about the online system of education, what to do. And even I was very much worried how to continue education. So that time what I did, I have told my teachers to prepare worksheet, and we have done home visit. And even our teachers, they took the risk. This COVID situation, they didn't bother about anything. They visited each and every house, knocked each and every house, so that we are there with us, we are care for your children, and we are standing by their side. So we are really feeling very much proud for our teachers, entire team. It's not that this is a team effort, this is a success. One man cannot do anything. It is a team effort, and our teachers, they took the risk. They took the risk and they did this job. Even Amphan also, and the Swapnapuran Welfare Society, they did a lot of work during Amphan. Even recently Yash cyclone, they even all ration, they distributed many things. Even all the thing, many houses they have destructed, and even many happened that their wall has been broken. Though they stood by their side. Though even we have done rescue shelter over here, that is a school. They have rescued, our team went and rescued people, not only our parents, rescued the crowd, and they have here, they got shelter in this school. Whatever you can see there, it is really, they have done even for 3 meals a day they have received 3 meals a day here. So even our, we also did community kitchen. They are the cooked food we serve to each and every people in this locality, those who suffered, those who have faced this situation in Yash. So lot of things are going on here, that I only look at the educational part, academic part. So I can say that it's not an end, just a journey. We have begun a journey. I don't know whether, but I hope that we can reach our goal. Just this much I can say only. Just we are doing by the grace of God. We are working on it. We will work on it, and we always be side of the people in Sundarban.
You just saw how Swapnapuran voluntary organization is helping realizing the educational dreams of children with a mix of online and offline methods, to ensure that the education flow remains unhindered, uninterrupted. Where there is no chance of getting internet connectivity in these remote areas of Sundarbans, there is offline method of teaching, and where there is possible, there is online mode of teaching also. So with this mixed bag, they are ensuring that education remains a high priority, and the students don't get affected despite all the natural and man-made disturbances. This is Shashwat Guptare signing off from the Sundarbans for Uncovering India, wishing you all a very happy 75th Independence Day.